Hey friends, I just wanted to take a second to show you how to access those recordings of any classes that you may have missed. So the easiest way to do this is to go into your daily plan like you normally do. Right under the word daily plan here, there's a little calendar. You click the calendar, select the date that you missed class. So if you missed your class on the 13th, you would click the 13th. And then once your screen loads, it'll list all of the Class Connect sessions from that date that you missed. So Tuesday, February 13th, for example. From there, you'll be able to click the link, just like you normally would to open up your Class Connect session. And when you click that, a box will come up that says Class Connect Session Recordings. And you can simply click on the link and it will bring the recording. Once you have loaded the recording, it will come up on a screen like this that looks just like your regular Class Connect. A couple of things. On the bottom of the screen, there is a play and pause button, so you can begin and pause the lesson as needed. You can use the cursor on the bottom of the screen to advance yourself to whatever part of the lesson you want to go to. And then the last thing that's important for you to know is this. Although you can see the chat box and you can see the participants, you won't be able to interact with the lesson in any way. You can only watch the recording. So if there is a link somewhere that it says to click, or if it's asking you to do an activity, unfortunately you can't do that from the recording. You'll have to kind of do that separately on a piece of paper or in your OLS. So hopefully that helps, and you guys should be ready to use those recordings as needed.